Hey everyone, welcome to Man Who Eats. Today I'm eating an upstate New York favorite, chicken Riggies. Chances are if you live outside Utica, New York, you haven't heard of this classic dish made famous in that region of the Empire State. There, chicken Riggies are as common at an Italian restaurant as spaghetti and meatballs. Even having grown up near Utica myself, I didn't discover this flavorful dish until college. So what the heck are chicken Riggies? At its most pure, chicken Riggies is a simple combination of chicken breast, hot peppers, rigatoni pasta in a creamy, spicy, tomato-based sauce. If you want to learn more history of the foods of upstate New York, check out A Taste of Upstate New York by Chuck D'Imperio, linked in the description below. My take on the classic Utica creation, of course, involves a grill and some alcohol. Let's get cooking. Get your grill set up for direct medium-high cooking at about 350 to 400 degrees. While the grill comes up to temperature, pound your chicken to a 1/4 inch thickness and season liberally on both sides with Italian seasoning. Grill the chicken for 10 to 12 total minutes, flipping halfway through until the internal temperature reaches 150 degrees. It's okay to undercook it slightly because it'll finish cooking in the sauce later. Remove the chicken from the grill and chop it into bite-sized pieces and set aside while you make the sauce and pasta. In the largest saucepan you have, I can't stress that enough, the largest saucepan you have, heat the oil over medium heat until shimmering. Add the onions, roasted red pepper, cherry peppers, and mushrooms. Saute until all vegetables are soft, about 5 minutes. Next, add the slivered garlic and saute until fragrant, about 1 minute. Deglaze with red wine, then stir in crushed tomatoes, a Parmesan rind, and a sprig of basil. Continue cooking for 20 minutes until slightly reduced, stirring often. While the sauce is cooking, bring a large pot of water to a boil and cook rigatoni to just short of al dente, about 10 minutes. Reserve a 1/4 cup of the pasta water and drain. Add the chopped chicken, cooked rigatoni, 1/4 cup of the reserved pasta water, and a good cup of grated fresh Parmesan to the sauce. Cook 3 to 5 additional minutes until the pasta has absorbed some of the sauce and all elements are coated in the creamy mixture. Serve in a bowl with a sprinkle of fresh chopped basil or parsley and extra freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And don't be shy, really pile it on. That's what makes this dish so good. Each bite will be smoky, cheesy, earthy, and spicy. And hopefully, like me, you'll be transported back to Utica, New York, home of chicken Riggies. If you liked this video, hit that like and subscribe button. If you want the full recipe, it's available at manwhoeats.com. And be sure to check out A Taste of Upstate New York for the history behind all your favorite foods from the Empire State. See you next time.